Hello friends, welcome to our channel Asensus Lifestyle. How are you all? Today I am going to share some indoor plants for home decor. These plants are really easy to grow and maintain. Indoor plants are amazingly adaptable and can be utilized in many different ways to enhance and refresh the indoor ambience. First one is ZZ plant. This is the best indoor plant as it requires very less water and it can survive with very low light. Even if you are away from your home for few days, it can survive without water. Next plant is Areca palm. This plant requires moderate light. Make sure to place the plant under the window or in your balcony. Keep the soil well drained and moist. However, be careful not to overwater. Next one is lucky bamboo. It is believed that it brings happiness and prosperity in your house. Lucky bamboo plant requires a moderate level of care. But the most important thing is these lucky bamboo plants need to be placed in clean water all the time. Next plant is philodendron. It has dark green shiny leaves which look great in your home space. This plant requires medium to high light but never place it under direct sunlight. Water it in every alternative day. Next one, fern. Ferns are one of the oldest species of plants on earth. It acts as a great air purifier and its green canopy of leaves enhance your home look. Next one is money plant. Money plant is the easiest plant to grow in soil as well as in water. You can watch my earlier video how to grow indoor money plants. I will provide the link in the description box below. This is an excellent indoor plant for home decor. It acts as a good air purifier and enhance your home ambience. These are my new babies. So cute, na? Next one is snake plant. It acts as a great air purifier. It needs less water and almost no maintenance. It can tolerate low water and low light. Snake plant's leaves are little toxic and if eaten can cause nausea and vomiting. So keep it away from small kids and pets. Next one is Gaster Haworthia. These succulents are well adapted to lower light. They should be watered at least once in a week. While watering, make sure that the excess amount of water is getting drained. They don't need much care, and also it can go many weeks even without water if required. Next is zebra plant. This one is also from Haworthia family. Succulent is great for your indoor succulent garden. These plants are propagated by cutting the offsets of the mother plant. Next is Graftoveria. They need high sunlight, but it can also be grown in indoor. The soil should be well drained and the plants must not be watered too frequently. Next is peanut cactus. It is a very popular house cactus. This is a very low growing plant with bright orange or red flowers. Next one is Golam Jade plant. Golam Jade can be grown both in indoors and outdoors. The most important thing for these plants is to provide them with well draining potting mix and adequate sunlight. Next one is Chinese evergreen. This is the most durable house plant. They tolerate poor light, dry air and low water. The only demand the plant makes from you is to protect it from extreme cold, excessive sunlight and extreme watering. Next one is aloe vera. It can also be grown in indoor. It has a medicinal property that rejuvenate and heal the human body. It can survive without water even for 6 months. And it is relatively resistant to most insects and pests. Next one is jade plant. It is also called as money tree, friendship tree and lucky tree. It is widely believed that it brings good luck to its owner. Jade plant requires little watering. It can grow easily under extreme drought conditions. Next is donkey tail, one of the most beautiful succulent that adds an exotic touch to the place where it is placed, but it grows very slowly. Donkey-tail succulents with minimal care can do wonders to provide the desert touch to your landscape. Next is Chinese palm. It will do best with bright indirect light. Getting too much direct sunlight can burn the leaves, and tolerate medium light but avoid very low light. Next is umbrella plant. It is easy to grow in indoor. It can tolerate low light and humidity. Umbrella plants need good drainage so that excess moisture in soil does not lead to death by root rotting. Next one is panda plant. It requires moderate to high light. If planted indoor, place near a sunny window. Next is croton. Do you feel your living room looks dull? Then let a croton with its bright yellow, orange and red leaves make your house beautiful. Water it only when the soil feels dry. Plants play a very important role in our life. Make them your part and they will help you to make your life and home beautiful. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do share your comments below. It adds to my motivation to make more such videos. Thanks for watching. Please share it with your friends. Take care and bye bye.